Okay, talking about Chapter 7. Sorry, I had to backtrack. I tried to record this and it wouldn't record. So we're looking at the eye and adnexa, H00 to H59. These are brand new guidelines. When I taught this back in October, we didn't actually have any guidelines for Chapter 7. So they now have some guidelines for glaucoma. This is category H40. And the guidelines just specify that you can use as many codes as you need to identify any types of glaucoma, the affected eye or eyes, and the stage. So if a patient has bilateral glaucoma, if they're both the same type, and stage, then you actually can just get one code. It will specify bilateral, the type and the stage. If, however, they're different types or stages, then you'll get at least two codes. You'll have one for the right eye and one for the left eye. If the stage evolves during the admission, you just need to code the highest stage that's documented. And these do have 7th character extensions. The 7th character 4 indicates indeterminate stage. Just want to clarify that is different than unspecified stage. Indeterminate means it cannot be clinically determined, versus unspecified means we just don't have any documentation to tell us what the stage is. I did want to show a couple examples just because we haven't really done 7th character extensions yet. So the top one, low tension glaucoma of the right eye, severe. Sorry, I just want to check and make sure that was recording. I've tried this 3 times now. So let me flip over to our tabular, or excuse me, my index. So I'm at glaucoma. I'm on page 602, and we were looking at low tension glaucoma, right eye, severe. So if I come down to low tension, it tells me go down to open angle, primary, and low tension. So here I'm at open angle, primary, low tension. I get H40.12. And again, this dash is just indicating that I need some additional characters. So when I come over to my tabular, I'm at the H40.12 low tension glaucoma. Again, we were the right eye, so 121, and then it was severe, so I add that 3 on there. So you can see the way we write this, H40.1213. Again, those 7th character extensions are very similar to 5th digits in ICD-9. You just attach them to the end. In this case, I already had 6 characters, so I didn't need to add a placeholder or an X there. Just add the 3 on. You can go ahead and walk through chronic angle closure glaucoma, left eye is the same thing. Glaucoma, the angle closure, I think, might send you to a cross-reference. Anyways, you get to H40.22. The 2 here indicates it's the left eye, and then the 1 is a 7th character extension to indicate that it's mild. Bilateral capsular glaucoma with pseudoexfoliation, moderate. This one, again, glaucoma as your main term, then you can look for capsular. Here we get H40.14, and let me just show you what that looks like. H40.14, and then the 3 is indicating that it's bilateral, because in this one, they're both the same stage and type, so I can just get the single code. Moderate is that 7th character extension of a 2. Excuse me. And then the last one, bilateral pigmentary glaucoma, right eye severe, left eye moderate. This one I have the same type of glaucoma, but they are 2 different stages, so I need to code those separately. So if we go glaucoma to pigmentary, you'll end up with H40.13. And then here I'm going to code 131, right eye is severe, so I'm going to add a 3. And then 132, the left eye was moderate, I'm going to add a 2. So I get H40.1313 for the right eye, H40.1322 for the left.